Hello students, hope everyone is doing well. So we are going to continue the substitution method. In the last class we discussed one example on substitution method, but we solve in the two different ways. Most of the students are asking in the exam also we have to solve two different ways. No need any one of the way, just explain with respect to x and with respect to y. Okay, so you can use any one of the methods. So whatever the question we solved in the last class, that is related to the unique solution. Now, how this method is going to look like, or how this method will help if the system has no solution, or if the system of equations has infinite many solutions. So here I have considered 2x plus 3y equals to 9 as equation number 1, and 4x plus 6y plus 18 equals to 18 as equation number 2. If you observe the equations, a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, and c1 upon c2, all the ratios are equals to 1 by 2. If all the ratios are equal, then the system has infinite many solutions. So first, this system of equations which has infinite many solutions, if I apply the substitution method, how answers are going to look like? Okay, because infinite solution means x and y has infinite values. So then how this system of equations will help us to find out? So as usual, from the given method, first I have to either find x value or y value. So if I use the equation 1, from equation 1, what you can get it? From equation 1, you can get 2x equals to 9 minus 3y. Am I right? 2x is equals to 9 minus y. Then I can write x equals to, I need an equation in the fractional form. This will come 9 minus 3y upon 2. Okay, so this is what I got, x value as 9 minus 3y upon 2. I use the equation number 1. So here what you have done is 2x I kept as it is, plus this plus 3y is sent to the right side of the equality, so plus 3y will become minus 3y here, and this 2 when it comes to the right hand side after equality as a multiplication, it will come to the denominator. Okay, so now what you do is substitute this x value in equation 2. I waited for x value from equation 1, so I cannot substitute back in the same equation, so I have to substitute in equation number 2. So what are the changes are coming? How the equation number 2 will change? So it is 4x. So I'll get it as 4 times, in place of x, what I have to replace? I have to replace 9 minus 3y upon, so this is 4x plus 6y will be equals to 18. So then what I have to do? I have to take an LCM for here, or maybe you can cancel this 2 in 4 2 times. If I cancel 2 in 4, okay, this 2 denominator 2 will get cancelled with 4 twice. So this is going to be 2 times 9 minus 3y plus 6y will be equals to 18. You can cancel that way also, no problem. Then you have, if I open the bracket in the next step, 2 nines are 18 minus 2 threes are 6y. This 2 multiply with 9, so 2 nines are 18. Then 2 multiply with minus 3, so that will be minus 6y, plus here also you have 6y. 6y will be equals to 18. Now if you see the equation carefully, minus 6y plus 6y both will get cancelled. then you have 18 will be equals to 18. Okay. Now here there is no x is left, there is no y is left here, but I got the condition is correct. 18 equals to 18. This statement is true. If this situation arises, both the left side of equality and right side of the equality are equal numbers. For different questions, you may get different. Instead of 18, maybe you get 14, 15, minus 3 equals to minus 3 or something. If this situation arises, then immediately you have to realize that the given system of equations are having infinite many solutions. Okay, is that clear? If equality satisfies, maybe here instead of 18 you may get different numbers for the different questions, but still equality holds. Here I can say 18 is equals to 18. This is a correct statement, even though I don't have x and y, but the statement is correct. If this situation arises, then you have the given system of equations are infinite many solutions. Now let me take the another question with no solution. X plus 2y equals to, yeah. So here you have to write, therefore given system of equations have infinite solutions. Okay, so that is your conclusion. There is no further solve. Now similarly, even if instead of equation 1 here, if you take equation 2 also, you may end with some different constant or maybe same constant, but the condition equality still holds if it is infinite many solutions. What are the equations which you have is x plus 2y minus 4 equals to 0, x plus 2y minus equals to 4. So here itself I will give this as equation 1. Then another equation I will write like something 2x plus 4y minus 12, some number you take, equals to 0. By comparing the coefficients here, I will get a1 upon a2 as 1 by 2, b1 upon b2 as 2 by 4, which is again 1 by 2, and c1 upon c2 is minus 4 upon minus 12, that is 1 by 3. So here you can observe a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2, but which is not equals to c1 upon c2. So this condition holds for the parallel line, that is no solution. Let's solve by substitution method. If no solution, what is the conclusion I'll get if I solve it? So here also I'll go by from equation 1. What I can conclude is, let me increase the line gap. Yeah. From equation 1, I can write x equals to 4 will go, actually here equals to 0, I forgot to put, equals to 0 will come. If I want x value, minus 4 will go as plus 4 and plus 2y, that side it will go as minus 2y. Now again I write substitute x value in equation 2, right? After substituting x value in equation 2, what do you get here? This is equation number 2. Am I right? So what is equation 2 is 2 times of x plus 4y minus 12 equals to 0. So if I substitute here 2 times x value is 4 minus 2y, that is the x value, plus 4y minus 12 equals to 0. What I have done, just this x I replaced with 4 minus 2y here. So 2 times of 4 minus 2y, this plus 4y minus 2 equals to 0. I get plus 4y minus 12 equals to 0 as it is. Now open the bracket, what do you get? 2 4 is 8 minus 2 to the 4y plus 4y minus 12 equals to 0. Okay. Now see here what you get. Again minus 4y plus 4y get cancelled both. Then you have 8 minus 12. 8 minus 12 is minus 4 will be equals to 0. Is this true? Minus 4 equals to 0. This condition is true. Is there any possibility minus 4 will be equals to 0? No, right? This condition is false. If you get this type of condition where left side number is not equals to right side number, but still you are saying minus 4 equals to 0, this invalid condition will